Hi, my name's Austin, and my tip is communication's important. I'd rather talk to you more than talk to you less.
I'm Gary McDonald. Face your giants with confidence.
My name is Francine Morales, and I suggest to never be afraid to ask questions.
My name is Blake, and the best advice I could give anyone in this industry is honesty. A person is only as good as their word.
My name is Daniel Perez. Just stay focused.
Hi, I'm Michael, and when it's hot outside, be sure to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated.
My name is Tim Fleming, and my tip for today is before you start your daily chore or daily job, be sure to complete your path form, because without a path form, you really don't have a plan.
My name is Jude Pippin. Let's train the younger generation properly so we can set them up for success.
Aaron Sims Jr. Take your time and do it right.
Hi, I'm Sean Walker, and safety is the most important thing.
Don't forget hard hat, vest, glasses, gloves.